Good morning students. Today we are going to start our lesson packing. In first period we have seen some part of this lesson. I hope you understood that. There are three friends and the name of these three friends Jerome, Harris and George. Once they decided for holiday and for that they started packing there. We have seen that Jerome thought that he was the best packer in this world, and that's why he said to his friend whatever packing they wanted to do, that all they should leave on Jerome. But actually Jerome didn't wanted to do the packing. He only wanted to pause the job. He thought under his direction his friend should pack there, but whatever he thought that was not happened there, and he own self wanted to do the packing there, and this thing didn't like by Jerome. When he was packing, he had taken a long time for that packing. When he finished his job, then suddenly he realized that he didn't pack his toothbrush, and when he started for searching this toothbrush, that time so many problems created there. We have seen toothbrush always creates some problem in front of the Jerome. His journey always miserable because of his toothbrush. And when he started searching there, that time he found his toothbrush inside of the boot. Up to this we have seen in previous period. Now we are going to start our remaining part of this lesson. When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it wasn't. So he finished the packing there, and that time suddenly George asked about the soap, and what he said, did Jerome keep that soap inside of the bag or not? Then Jerome had said he didn't care about the soap. And I slammed the bag shut and strapped it and found that I had packed my spectacles in it. Then he packed that bag by making a noise there and found that I had packed my spectacles in it, and then he found he had packed his spectacle in that bag and had to reopen it, and again he wanted to reopen his bag to take out that spectacle from the bag. It got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. Then at last he finishing his packing at 10:05 p.m. and then there remained the hampers to do. Here hampers mean, children, a basket which we use to carry some food items. So all these things they were packed there. Only what was remaining there? That hampers was remaining there. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time. Then Harris said there they wanted to start their journey less than 12 hours time and thought that he and George had better do the rest. Then writer thought that whatever work remaining there, that work Harris and George should do there. And I agreed and sat down and they had a go. And Jerome was agree for that, and then he sat there and they had to go, and after that Harris and George they were ready for doing their work. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do. Then they started their work in light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it, and they were showing to the Jerome how work wanted to do there. I made no comment, but when writer had observed all these things, that time he didn't give any comment there. I only waited. He was waiting there. With the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world. Here writer is telling the quality of Harris. He is telling here exception of George, मतलब George को छोड़ के Harris is the worst packer in this world. Writer is telling Harris was not good for the packing. He was the worst person in this world for the packing. And I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stoves and cakes and tomatoes. Then he looked all these things there and felt that the thing would soon become exciting. It did. They started with breaking a cup. Then writer thought that definitely something different happened there. And whatever he thought, that same thing was going on there. And what was the first thing? The first thing is that they started with breaking a cup. That was the first thing they did. So writer is telling here, by breaking the cup, whatever they had done, so that thing was the first which expected by the writer. They did that just to show you what they could do. So why they were doing these things? Because they wanted to show that what they could do there and to get you interested. And writer is telling to arouse your interest, or they wanted to create your interest. That's why they were doing all these things there. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of tomato and squashed it. Then after that, Harris packed strawberry jam and he had kept the tomato on the top of that jam. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. So what he had done, Harris had kept the strawberry jam on the top of the tomato, and because of that, that tomatoes were squashed there. And they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. And after that, whatever tomatoes were squashed there, that all the tomatoes they wanted to take out with the help of teaspoon. And then it was George's turn, and he trod on the butter. Now trod on means step on. Then after some time, George stepped on that butter. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. All these things were watching by the writer, but he didn't use a single word there. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table. Writer came there and he sat on the edge of the table. Now here edge of the table means जो टेबल की साइड होती है उस किनारे पे वो बैठ गया. Sat on the edge of the table and watched them, and he was watching Harris and George. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. I felt that it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things and put things behind them, and then couldn't find them when they wanted them. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. Writer didn't say anything. That thing was irritated them there. I felt that it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on the things. They were stepping on the things and put things behind them, and after some time they were keeping the things behind their legs. मतलब जो भी वहाँ चीजें थी वो अपने पैरों के पीछे रख लिया करते थे. And then couldn't find them when they wanted them, and whenever they wanted the things, that time they didn't get that thing there. And they packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top. Then after that they packed that pies at the bottom, and on that pies what they have kept? They have kept some heavy things and smashed the pies in. डेफिनेटली अगर कोई भारी चीज आप किसी हल्की चीज पे रख दे तो क्या हो जाती है कि वो जो चीज है वो वहां दब जाती है. सो सेम थिंग हैपेंड देयर. दे कीप or they packed the pies at the bottom, and on that pies they have kept a heavy things, and because of that pies were squashed there. They upset salt over everything. Then after some time they spreaded the salt on each and everything. And as for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence. Now here 1 or 2 pence means 1 या 2 पैसे का. So writer is telling he didn't see before that 1 or 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. It means whatever things they had done with that butter, that thing he didn't see in his life before that. राइटर यहाँ कहना चाहते हैं कि वो 1 या 2 पैसे का जो वहाँ बटर था उसके साथ जो भी वहाँ हो रहा था इससे पहले उसने कभी ऐसे देखा नहीं था. After George had got it off his slipper, then when they had got that butter there, after George had got it off his slipper, they tried to put it in the kettle. Then that butter was on the slipper. That's why George take out that butter from the slipper and he keep it in kettle. It wouldn't go in, and what was in wouldn't come out. So when they tried to keep that butter inside of the kettle, that time it wouldn't go inside of that kettle, and whatever already inside in the kettle, that was not coming outside from that kettle. मतलब वो जो बटर था वो लोग केटल में रखना चाहते थे लेकिन वो जा नहीं रहा था, और जो केटल के अंदर ऑलरेडी कुछ था उसमें वो वहां से बाहर नहीं आ रहा था. They did scrape it out at last. Now here scrape means to draw while exerting pressure, मतलब खरोच के निकालना. They did scrape it out at last. Then they scratched that butter from there, and it stuck to him, and they went looking for it all over the room. They did scrape it out at last and put it down on the chair. Then at last they scraped that butter and they kept on the chair. And Harris sat on it. After keeping that butter, what happened there? Harris sat on that butter and it stuck to him. So when he sat on that butter, that time what happened? That butter stuck on the back of the Harris. And they went looking for it all over the room. And both the friends were searching for the butter there. I will take my oath. I put it down on the chair, said George, starting at the empty seat. Then already we have seen, children, what was going on there. They kept the butter on the chair, and after that Harris sat there, and that's why that butter stuck on the back of the Harris. But they didn't understand this thing, and they started the searching for the butter. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. Then Harris was telling there, he himself had seen that butter he had kept on the chair. Then they started round the room again looking for it. Then again they started for that butter in that room, and then they met again in the center. So when they searching for the butter, that time they couldn't get the butter there. And then they met again in the center. So while searching the butter, both were meet with each other in the center and started at one another. And both were looking at each other, but they couldn't find the butter there. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said George. Then George said, it's really a very extraordinary thing, and before that he didn't heard about that. So mysterious, said Harris. Harris said it was really a very mysterious thing. Then George got round at the back of Harris and saw it, and at last when George turned back of the Harris, and then he found butter stuck on the back of Harris. Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. You know, indignantly means here angrily. Then, why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. Then George said very angrily there, now we were searching the butter in the whole room, but this butter stuck on your back. मतलब वो बहुत गुस्से से बोला कि हम कितनी देर से बटर को यहाँ ढूंढ रहे हैं और ये बटर कितने समय से यहाँ पड़ा हुआ है. Where? cried Harris, spinning round. Stand still, can't you? roared George, flying after him. Then George was very angry there. That's why he said to Harris he should stand there properly. And they got it off and packed it in the teapot. Then at last they got that butter, and then they kept that butter in the teapot. Montmorency was in it all, of course. Now, whatever situations or whatever condition was there, that thing observed by Montmorency also. He was also present there. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sought at. Now, here writer is telling the nature of Montmorency, means how he was there. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sought at. Now, be sought at means here get scolded. So ये मॉन्टमोरेंसी की ऐसा स्वभाव था, मतलब किसी की भी बात पे वो खुद वहां जाके उनकी बातें सुनता था और उनकी गालियां भी सुनता था. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sought at. If he can square up in anywhere where he particularly is not wanted. It means actually Montmorency didn't require sometimes on some places, but even though he went there. मतलब कभी ऐसा होता था कि किसी जगह पे मॉन्टमोरेंसी की कोई जरूरत नहीं रहती थी, लेकिन फिर भी वो वहां जाता था. And be a perfect nuance and make people mad. And he create their nuance. Nuance means here inconvenience. And make people mad. And he made the people mad. And have things thrown at his head. And when people were out of control and when they were angry, that time they were throwing the things towards the head of the Montmorency. Then he feels his day has not been wasted. And then he realized that his day was not wasted there. His day was really useful. ये नेचर हम ह्यूमन बीइंग में भी देख सकते हैं. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनको दूसरों को तकलीफ देने में बहुत खुशी होती है. लाइक दैट मॉन्टमोरेंसी आल्सो वाज देयर. उसका नेचर भी वैसा था. मतलब जब तक वो किसी को परेशान नहीं करता था या किसी को पागल नहीं बना देता था, तब तक उसे ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि उसका दिन आज अच्छा गया. To get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour. To get somebody to stumble over him. Now stumble means here fall over. So sometimes he fall over to other person on him and curse him steadily for an hour. It is highest aim and object. So that was the highest object or the highest aim of Montmorency there. When he has succeeded in accomplishing this, his conceit become quite unbearable. जब ये बात करने में वो सफल हो जाता था तो उसको ऐसा लगता था कि उसका जो उद्देश्य है, उसका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो पूरा हो गया. एंड आफ्टर डूइंग दिस थिंग्स ही फेल्ट वेरी प्राउड. और ये सब करने के बाद उसे बहुत प्राउड फील होता था. ही केम एंड सैट डाउन ऑन थिंग्स जस्ट व्हेन दे वर वांटेड टू बी पैक्ड. नाउ दे वांटेड टू पैक देयर बैग एंड in between who came and sat there? Montmorency came and sat there. And he labored under the fixed belief that whenever Harris or George reached out their hand for anything, it was the cold damp nose that they wanted. And he labored under the fixed belief that, and Montmorency fully believed there, whenever Harris or George reached out their hand for anything, it means when Harris and George reach out their hand for anything or for anything there, it was his cold damp nose that they wanted. Then he thought it was his cold nose that they wanted there. He put his leg into the jar. Then after some time he kept his leg in the jar and he worried the teaspoons and he pretended that the lemons were rats. Now here worried means disturbed. He disturbed their teaspoons there and he pretended that the lemons were rats. Actually lemons were there, but Montmorency pretending that were not lemons, that lemons were like a rat. And got into the hamper and killed 3 of them before Harris could land with the frying pan. And got into the hamper. Here hamper means a small box for food. So he go inside that hamper and he killed three of them before Harris could land with the frying pan. मतलब वो जो टोकरी थी वहाँ फूड रखने की जो टोकरी थी उसमें वो घुस गया और वहाँ जो लेमन्स पड़े हुए थे उसने अपने मुंह में रखकर उसे खराब कर दिए. Harris said, I encourage him. I didn't encourage him. Then Harris said, he was encouraging to the Montmorency. I didn't encourage him. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. But they were telling, like the dog, it means like a Montmorency. He didn't want to encourage. Without encouraging also, he can do whatever he wanted to do there. It's the natural writer is telling that was the nature of Montmorency. It's the natural original sin that is born in him that makes him to do things like that. So writer is telling that quality was born quality for the Montmorency. For that we don't want to tell anything to him. The packing was done at 12:50 and Harry sat on the bag hamper. Then at last they finished their packing at 12:50 and Harry sat on the basket and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. And then he said there, he never hoped nothing would be found broken there. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken. Then George said if anything broken there, then it means already something already broken there. Which reflection seemed to comfort him. But even though if something had broken there, that thing also gave the comfort to the George. He also said he was ready for bed. Then after all these things, George was ready to go to the bed. We were all ready for bed. Then with the George, Jerome and Harris also ready for the bed. Harris was to sleep with us that night and we went upstairs. The writer is telling that night Harris was sleeping with them and three friends went to the upstairs. We tossed for beds and Harris had to sleep with me. Then they tossed there and after tossing they decided Harry wanted to sleep with Jerome. He said, do you prefer the inside or the outside, Jerome? I said I generally prefer to sleep inside a bed. Then Harris asked to Jerome for sleeping inside or outside. Then Jerome had given the preference to the inside of the bed. Harris said it was odd. Then Harris felt very odd thing that he said it was really very different thing there. George said, what time shall I wake you fellows? Harris said 7. Then he asked on what time we wanted to wake up there. Then Harris had given the answer there. They wanted to wake up at 7 o'clock. I said no, 6 because I wanted to write some letters. But writer refused that thing. He wanted to wake up at 6 o'clock because he wanted to write something there. Harris and I had a bit of row over it, but at last split the difference and said 6:30. Harris and I had a bit of row over. Now their bit of row over means conflict. It means both were discussing there for on which time they wanted to wake up there. But at last split the difference. Here split the difference means this means that they agreed on 6:30 because it was halfway between 6 and 7. मतलब वो दोनों वहाँ लड़ रहे थे कि किस टाइम पे उठना चाहिए 6 o'clock और 7 o'clock और फिर उन्होंने बीच का रास्ता निकाला. They were not going to wake up at 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. They will wake up on at 6:30. George made no answer and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. So after the discussion, they had seen the George, and when they had seen the George, that time what they have got? They found George was already slept there. So we placed the bath where he could tumble into it. Then after that, they placed the bathtub beside that bed, because when George wake up, then suddenly he could tumble into the bathtub. He could stumble into it on getting out in the morning and went to the bed ourselves. And after keeping that bathtub besides the bed, both went for the sleeping. In this way, we have completed this lesson, children. It's a very funny lesson. I hope you understood that. Thanks and goodbye.